What is the right time to start fertility treatment? Or how long should you wait for natural pregnancy before you consult a fertility specialist? These are few questions which could disturb a woman who is planning for pregnancy. Let us find out answers to this. A couple who has been trying for natural pregnancy for a year and they have been together without using any contraceptive measures and you're not achieving pregnancy, then it is the time where you should visit a fertility specialist so that you can get your fertility evaluated. Evaluation for fertility means assessing the ovarian reserve in a woman and assessing the semen parameters in the husband. So if you are less than 35 years of age and for 1 year you have not been successful in achieving pregnancy, get yourself evaluated. Getting yourself evaluated for infertility does not necessarily mean that you need some kind of advanced fertility treatments like IUI or IVF. If your fertility evaluation suggests that all your reports are normal, you can still wait and try for natural pregnancy if you are less than 35 years of age. But remember, the biological clock is not going to stop ticking, and with advancing age, that is as the age advances beyond 35 years, the egg reserve starts dropping and also the chances of natural conception will start declining after 35. So if you have been married at an advanced age and you have failed to achieve pregnancy for 6 months after getting married, then all the more women with more than 35 years of age trying for 6 months naturally and with no success, these are the cases where they should consult a fertility specialist and get evaluated. If your fertility results suggest any problem like having a low ovarian reserve or having some uterine abnormalities or having some tubal factors, or in such certain cases in males the sperm parameters are not right, that is the sperm counts are low or the sperm movement is low, in such situation if there is any abnormal finding in your fertility evaluation, then your fertility specialist will guide you through the proper treatment plan and you can take their advice and plan a successful pregnancy at the right time and at the right age. Remember, in fertility treatment, age plays a major role, and taking right decisions when your age is appropriate to plan pregnancy will help you achieve successful results.